Okay, hello. Back again with another video with activities for classroom work for children. This one is something I did in South Korea with ESL classes to work on directions and location. So this activity could relate to the Australian curriculum for mathematics for Year 3. You could have a look at ACMMG 065, or if you're like Year 4, ACMMG 090. Year 5 maybe ACMMG, I think it's 113, and it relates to other areas of the curriculum as well. I mean, you could use this in a geography class. You could actually make this activity in an art class or a geography class if you liked. It's a map reading and directions activity, as I said. So here's how it works. This is what you need. You need some sort of map. As I said, you can either get your children to make it or you can make them yourselves and laminate them on a piece of paper so that you can draw on them with a nice marker. I've got a red one. Red one's hard to erase, I find, with this particular brand. So black is better, I usually find, but that's just me. Red's all I've got today. Also, a dice. Six-sided die. Just an ordinary six-sided die. So the idea of this game is students give directions on how to find locations on the map. So this map is very simple. It's all blocked out, pretty much in a grid form. So you put the kids into groups, 4 to 6 children in each group. Then the first child will ask the second child, how do I get to Home Plus? Now you can see Home Plus is this building up here. And the child can draw a little door on that there where they want you to go into. And we've got a starting point here. You don't have to put a starting point on your map. In fact, I find it's more fun if you don't. Let the children choose where to start from. But just for this example, I've got a starting point here. So the first child asks, as I said, how do I get to Home Plus? Now, the second child will answer and use the marker here. And they'll say, go straight for 1 block and then turn left. Now, whenever a child says turn left or turn right, they have to roll a dice. So they roll a dice. Now, if they get a 1 or a 2, there are zombies in the road and they can't go that way. So this time I got a 5, so I'm okay, I can keep going. So off I go, I'll keep going. I'll go straight for 2 blocks. And you get the kids to use this language. Go straight for 2 blocks. And then turn right. So I said turn right, so I've got to roll the dice. Oh, I got a 6 that time, so I'm okay. So I can turn right. Then I'll go straight for a block and stop at the corner and I'll have to turn right again, okay? But this time I roll the dice and bada-bada-bum, bada-bum. Oh no, it's a 2. So I can't go that way because there's zombies there. I have to go another way. So I'll turn left. So this time I say turn left. Once again, I have to roll the dice. Oh, I got a 3, so it's okay. I can go that way. So I'll go around the block here to the end of the corner here and I'll turn right. So turn right and I roll the dice again. Oh, I got a 1, so there's zombies up there. I can't go that way. Now, I'm being fairly fast with the language because you can hear all the noise in the background. It's kind of a noisy day at home. So I'm trying to get this done fairly quickly. But you want to be sure the children are using the language correctly. Turn right, turn left, go straight for 2 blocks. You can get them to use landmark language if your maps are detailed enough. This activity can be as involved as you like. It can be a very basic grid activity, or you could have the children make very complex activities. They could make maps of their schools, for example, which might be fun. Basically, if all the corners have zombies in them, every time we turn a corner we get a zombie there, we can't get to where we're going. So we lose. That child doesn't win or get to their destination. So you pass it on to the next child. And you go around the group asking, how do I get to blah, blah, blah. And each child gets a turn asking the question and giving directions. And it's just a good way to practice, orientating themselves with maps. it practices all those skills. I'll put up in the description or on the screen somewhere, I don't know, over here or something, the areas of the Australian curriculum that I could relate this to. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, if you think this would work, if you don't think it would work, if you have any improvements on it, I'd love to hear them. So yeah, if you think this has been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, or not, it's up to you. Either way, have a great day, and thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.